So we're gonna see how to make a procedural pipes in Blender. So mostly tutorials you see online are like this. You have a mesh which then you convert to curve, and then you say this curve, okay, you have depth, and that's it. And now if I want to like expand, do something with this, it's really hard to add a bevels like at this point. I would need to subdivide this. Like it's doable, but it's so it's not precise. It's not good. Like it's doable, but it's not that good. Anyways, like for some project I needed to figure out how to make this work without using this thing. I don't know, data, I guess it's data tool something. So I combined a modifiers with the geometry node. So let's get this back to mesh. Oh no, it's gonna turn this. Wait, let's do it. Okay, and now I'm gonna add bevel modifier and say bevel the edges, and let's say we add 6 divisions. So it's, as you see, it's not destructive. I can still move about these points, these vertices, and I have these radiuses. So now, but they're all the same. So if I want to change the size of this, I can say, okay, let's use weights, and then put the vertices data. Say, okay, this is 1, and maybe this is 0.3, and maybe these 2 are 0.5. So you cannot go above, the value is between 1 and 0. And now I can fiddle with this. I can say, okay, bevel weight is just 0.2. Okay, that's too small. 0.2, and you see I have different radiuses at different points, and I can still quite easily move these points around and play with them. It's not like in that previous example where I used curve and data options, because if I bevel this live like this, I've destroyed this. Like I cannot, I mean, I can undo this, but it's a hassle, and it's easier to do it like this. And then at top of that, I add a geometry node. I have one already made. And basically, this setup, what it does, it takes my mesh that I have, and with these 2 nodes, it adds a profile tool. So it takes my mesh, converts it to curve, and then adds a circle profile, and I control the radius of that. And then it converts all these things back to a mesh, and then I'm setting a material, and it's going out, and that's it. So what I've done here, like here in group sockets, you can add things that are inputs that you can expose here, like material ID. I can say this is this color, blue, car paint, or I don't know what I have here, all black and blue, and I can increase the radius of the pipe. But I've set here the limit. Okay, one thing is, like, you can set here a default value, minimum value, maximum value, and for the reasons I have here, I need this railing for this particular car because I'm doing something with it. I've set these numbers in this fashion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it helps. So to summarize, I have meshes, or mesh, that's basically a bunch of vertices that are connected, and I have a bevel. I control weight, that's my limit method, and this is my setup for the geometry nodes. It's quite easily, and if you're stuck, like, use DeepSeek or ChatGPT or any other AI tool just to guide you if you want to expand upon this. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, and